If you want to create a website and you're worried that you don't know coding, then you have landed on a right video. In this video, let's see how to create a website without coding. Hi friends, welcome to Fully Techie. Let's get started. First, you go to your WordPress login page. Before coming here, let me quickly tell you how do you buy a domain and hosting. So go to hostgator.com. For this video, I'm going to use HostGator as an example and go to WordPress hosting. If you're confused about which hosting provider to choose, then watch this video on the card. In that video, I've compared top hosting providers for you to make a decision. Choose any one of the plan and click buy now. And here you enter your desired domain name, check for the availability, and this plan you'll be getting a free domain. So once after checking the availability, you can claim your free domain. If you don't know what is domain and what is hosting, I made a separate video about domain and hosting. Link will be given in the card and also in the description. Make sure you watch it. And then you change the billing cycle for 12 months. And then you fill up the basic details and you will be paying $101.69. Then you click on the checkbox and click checkout now. And once after you've done your payment, this is where you will be headed on to, and you will be asked these questions. Just close these tabs and here you have to click on install WordPress and go and sign up with WordPress. You will be asked the basic details like your email ID, your site name. You have to enter your basic details like that, and you have to sign up with WordPress. Once after signing up with WordPress, come back to your browser. On the search bar, type your domain name /wp-admin. Now you will be headed on to WordPress login page. Here you have to enter your login credentials which are used for signing up with WordPress. Once after entering your login credentials, click on login. And this is how your WordPress dashboard will look like. If you don't know what WordPress is, I made a separate video about it. Link will be given in the card. Make sure you watch that. As of now, this is how your website looks like. So here we are going to install a new theme called Hastia. To install a theme, go to Appearance and go to Themes. By default, we have 2021 theme. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to click on Add New, and then in the search bar, search for a theme called Hastia. This is our theme. Click on Install and Activate. Once after you click on Activate, you will be redirected to your themes page. Here you see Hastia theme. Now you click on Customize. Look here guys, our website is already half done. We just have to change the text, fonts, colors, images to make our website. First, let's start with the header or nav bar. This is where your navigation bar fits in. So you click on the pencil icon over there to change your site title. For this video, I'm going to create a website for a fictional company called Fitzel. Let's say Fitzel is a fitness company. So to change the site title, select the text under the site title tab and then type your design name. Now we see our site title here. And then let's add our logo in the website. To add a logo, click on select logo, and here you have to know that if you add your logo, your site title will get disappeared. So to add a logo, click on select files. Click on your logo and then click open. Make sure your logo is selected. Click on select at the bottom. Crop your logo correctly. Crop your logo and you make sure your entire logo fits in. And once after cropping your logo, click on crop image. And now you see we got a site logo here. And then now let's set a site icon. Basically a site icon is icon which you see over here. So to set a site icon, click on select site icon. And then these are some of the template photos we got by installing Hastia theme. To upload a site logo, click on upload files and then click on select files. And then select your logo and make sure your logo is selected and click on select. Here you have to crop your site icon. Make sure your entire site icon fits in and then click on crop image. And now we got a site icon. And then now let's change the menus. Basically in this menu what you see is these menus are links for different pages. When you click on a particular menu, it will take you to the different page of your website. So to change the menus, click on the pencil icon, go back from here. Actually, primary menus are menus which you have seen over there. Click on primary menus and then we see our menus over here. By default, we have our home page, blog page, contact page and the custom link as our menus. Here you can add or remove any menus from this section. So I don't want contact and more. First, I am going to remove contact menu. So to remove contact menu, click on contact and then at the bottom, click on remove. And the contact menu got removed. Here you see more is a custom link. If you click on more, it will scroll you down to about section. We don't want this more button. We are going to remove this one also. So to remove this, click on the arrow icon here and then click on remove. And let's add some new menus. Here we are going to add a page as our menu. Let's add a page here called courses. And let's add the page to menus. Now you see courses in a navbar and we are done setting up navigation bar. And here let's change this image. So to change this image, click on the pencil icon and here click on change image. Again, go to upload files, click on select files. I have already downloaded this image. So click on your image and click on open. And again make sure your image is selected and click on choose image. Now you see a site image got changed. Cool, right? Now let's change the text. To change the site title, select this and enter your site title. Here I'm going to enter no hustle, no muscle. As this is a fitness website, I'm just giving a fancy title for a fitness website. Here I will give you a pro tip. So you see no hustle, no, and in the second line only you see muscle. That doesn't look nice, right? So to take the no to the second line, we are going to enter a small HTML code BR. So in between no hustle and no muscle, type this code BR. And then I don't want this tagline. I'm going to erase it. And you see here a button is set to one custom link. When you click on the see more button, it will scroll you down to about section. I'm not going to have about section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear this about and change it to blog. So once after this change, make sure you click on publish button. Always have this habit of clicking publish button to save whatever you changed. If something went wrong, you have to start everything from the first. So it's always good to save your content then and there. So click on publish. So now you see when we click on see more, it scrolls us down to blog section. And then let's change the button text from see more to explore more. Wherever you see the pencil icon, you can edit those elements right here itself. But if you don't see a pencil icon, I will tell you how to edit those elements. Go to front page sections and here you get the option to hide or view any sections. You just have to click that I button over there to hide it and then click on the I button back to get that section back. Now we are going to edit our about section. Click the arrow icon on the about section and then click edit. And now we are headed to a WordPress page editor. Here it's very simple. Just by clicking the text, you can change those text. Let me change it to fitness, health and diet. And then I don't want this about section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this section and hit on delete. And once after you make a change here, click on update here and get back to your theme editor. Here we didn't see any changes right now. What we are going to do is we are going to refresh this site. Before refreshing, make sure you are published to save the content what you have changed. And now you see the changes here and we have removed that about section. Scrolling further down, we see a blog section here. This is where all your blogs fits in. In this video, I'm not going to discuss about how to create a blog post. In my upcoming videos, I'll create a separate video about how to create a blog post. If that is ready, link will be available in the card and also in the description. So once you upload some blog post, it will come over here. Scrolling further down, we see a contact section right here. To edit this, click on the pencil icon. Here we can only change the titles of the contact section. To edit the address of the contact section, click on contact content and then click edit. And here you see the address and the contact information. You can change this over here. And then let's add a contact form. Basically, a contact form is helpful for a user to contact you. To install the contact form, click on install WP Forms Lite here. And once after installing and activating, your website will get refreshed. And let's scroll down, guys. We got our contact forms and we are done creating our website. And that's how easily we create a website using WordPress. But here in HDR, we have a lot of limitations, right? As a freelancer, I don't use HDR for any one of my clients. I use a plugin called Elementor to create custom designs. To know more about Elementor, click on this video. And if you want me to create a website for your business, then do contact me through Fiverr. Link will be available in the description. And thank you for watching.